Hello guys, thanks for watching my video. Today new repair come in, and this phone was keep restarting. I initially thought it just need a new charge port because there was a lot of dust inside. I clean the charge port and see what it does. If it just keeps getting stuck on Apple logo and it's not getting past, so I put on a charge and see what it does. Okay, here you go. So I just keep rebooting. It just comes up with Apple logo, and just restart comes with the Apple logo and just restart. So what we have to do, let we open up the phone and see what it does. So let's see. It just let's see. Just wait for another one minute and see if it turns on. I just keep rebooting. As you can see, Apple the battery logo is here, and just wait for the charge and see what it does. Okay, I think oh, here you go. So let's see what it does this time. Okay, so it just keep rebooting. Let we open it up, and yeah, it's just the Apple logo. See what it does this time. Okay, so it just keep rebooting. Let we open up this phone. I just put on a heat pad for 1 to 2 minutes and see what it does. So I already removed these screws before I started the job, and see what it does. So I just always, just to make sure, I put some alcohol before I open it up. Okay, here. So we remove the battery. We're going to install a new battery. This is brand new battery. Let's see what it does now this time. The heat pad. So this battery is already swollen, as you can see it here. Battery condition is bad. The phone was just keep rebooting and was not turning on. It's good signs that Apple logo. Oh, here you go. So because this is hot and the phone is a little hot, and we have to wait until the phone cool down and see. And also customer did not give us the passcode, so need a new battery. That's all you need. It was very easy diagnostic. Normally if the phone does not comes on, stuck on the Apple logo, that's what I assume the battery. So I just simply replaced a new battery, and that fixes the problem. Now there's no startup, and all I have to see if the battery goes up is now 45%, and let it charge for at least 2-3 minutes and see if that goes up. The phone is still hot. I can check the touchpad. Everything seems to be working. Hey, not yet. The phone is still very hot. I had cooled the phone, and I just wait at least 1 minute. I just like to see that if the battery goes up. It's still 45%. Let me connect the fast charger. Okay. So guys, so that's the conclusion. The phone was keep rebooting and it was stuck on the Apple logo. So it's easy fix. Just change the battery and you can fix the Apple logo issue. So I just fixed under 7 minutes this phone. All I have to do put screws and just that's it. Just put the screws and just close properly, and I have to remove the tape as well on the base, and just put the bottom screw, and we all set. Thank you very much for watching video. Please give me subscribe and thumbs up, and support my channel by subscribing. Thank you and have a wonderful day.